Nelli Tembe's dad speaks out that she had many problems with AKHONA. Anele, Nelli Tembe's father, Moses Tembe, says last month was the most difficult time of his life after the death of his daughter, who allegedly jumped off a Cape Town hotel's 10th floor. Moses Tembe was commenting yesterday after his daughter's fiancé AKHONA, whose real name is Kiernan Jared Forbes, broke his silence in a statement issued at the weekend in which he denied being investigated by the police in connection with her death. Tembe said he had decided not to get involved in the ongoing investigations and legal issues, but was aware there had been many issues between my daughter and this guy. As a father who is also a traditionalist, I would refrain from getting involved in issues involving a girlfriend and a boyfriend, people who were not yet married, he said, in reference to Zulu culture. You know that I cannot get myself involved with people who are still dating. But I know there were many issues between them, but most of those my daughter would rather share with her sisters, Tembe said, adding that he was still reeling from the untimely loss. AKHONA's statement, which he shared on social media, comes after reports by a local publication that shared images where AKHONA reportedly broke down a wooden door to enter a room that Nelly was in. According to the report, the incident allegedly took place on March the 13th in their apartment in Bryanston, Joburg. In his statement, AKHONA said there were people who he trusted with their relationship issues that we're now using as weapons against him. He said that he would not stand watching people attempting to disparage his name and his fiancé's character to suit a narrative report they never signed up for. AKHONA said their relationship challenges were worsened by the pressure of being in the public eye, which they too played up to. He said he was fully aware of who the sources engaging with the media were and what their intentions were. Their intention is to influence the SAPS inquest. The investigation officer has stated numerous times that I have not been named as suspect. Provincial Police spokesperson Colonel Andre Traut said, the circumstances surrounding the inquest are still under investigation, and at this stage, there are no new developments.